Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into two fascinating English courses that put water at the center of exploration. Whether you're into the poetic charm of words or the captivating allure of photography, these courses have something for everyone. First up, let's talk about the course called Water, a Literary and Cultural Exploration. Ever wondered how water has shaped stories and cultures throughout history? Well, this course takes you on a literary journey, highlighting how water is more than just a substance. It's a symbol, a theme, and sometimes even a character in its own right. From ancient myths to modern novels, water flows through countless narratives, representing purity, danger, transformation, and life itself. You'll dive into different genres and themes, exploring how various cultures interpret water. Imagine reading about the mighty rivers in ancient epics or the relentless rain in a dystopian future. Pretty cool, right? Now let's shift gears to the more hands-on side of things with the natural world writing and photography. This course is all about getting out there and observing the natural world, especially water, through your own lens, literally and figuratively. You'll learn to capture the essence of water using descriptive language that paints vivid pictures in the reader's mind. Think about the way sunlight glints off a mountain stream, or the calm, reflective surface of a lake at dusk. It's about making your writing so rich and detailed that someone can almost feel the cool splash or hear the gentle ripple. But it doesn't stop at writing. Photography plays a huge role too. You'll be encouraged to grab your camera and head outdoors, finding the perfect shot to complement your words. Whether it's a powerful waterfall, a serene pond, or even the intricate patterns of raindrops on a window, you'll learn how to frame and capture these moments beautifully. Both of these courses emphasize the importance of water to all life on Earth. They remind us that water isn't just a subject to study, it's a vital part of our world that deserves our attention and respect. So, if you're a student looking for a unique way to blend your love for literature, writing and photography, these courses might just be what you're looking for. Who knew that something as simple as water could be so endlessly inspiring? Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this inspires you to explore the beauty of water in your own creative journey. See you next time. If you think science is boring but love splashing around, then water observation is your new favorite hobby. Step 1. Choose your water body. Whether it's a serene lake or your backyard pool, the choice is yours. Step 2. Gather your materials. Notebook, pen, thermometer, pH meter, magnifying glass and a camera. You're basically a water detective now. Step 3. Observe the appearance. Is the water clear or murky? Does it have a smell? Take note of the surface conditions too. Step 4. Measure properties. Check the temperature and pH and see how clear the water is. Step 5. Examine organisms. Use a magnifying glass to spot tiny plants and insects. Go microscopic if you're feeling extra curious. Step 6. Record your observations. Write everything down, sketch it out and snap some pics. Step 7. Analyze and interpret. Look for patterns, think about relationships and draw some cool conclusions. Remember to repeat your observations to see changes over time. And always ask questions. Science is all about curiosity. Happy observing.